In this video, we will learn how to derive market supply curve from the given cost functions of two individual firms. Question is, there are only two price taking firms in a market. Their cost functions are being given us as cost function of firm 1 is equal to C1, which is equal to x1 square, and cost function of firm 2 is C2, which is equal to 3x2 square, where xi is the output of the ith firm. Okay, I is equal to 1 and 2 here. If the market supply is the sum of the two firms' outputs, then the market supply function is, we need to find out the market supply function. Okay, so basically what we are being given, we are being told we have a price taking firm. Okay, we have the price taking firms. That means it is a case of perfectly competitive market. Okay, so in case of perfectly competitive market, okay, and the condition is, we know that when we have perfect competition, we equate price with marginal cost. Simple thing. Okay, let's first find out. We are being given the cost function of firm 1 is x1 square, and cost function of firm 2, let's write it here. Cost function of firm 2 is equal to it is 3x2 square. Okay, so each firm will equate its price with the marginal cost. Okay, so when price is equal to, let's first find out the marginal cost here. So marginal cost of firm 1 is simply the derivative of cost function of firm 1 with respect to x1. Okay, they differentiating this with respect to x1, so this, the derivative of x1 square is twice x1, so this is twice x1. Similarly, marginal cost of firm 2 is the derivative of cost function of firm 2 with respect to x2. So differentiating with respect to x2 this function, so this 2 becomes coefficient, so 2 3s are 6 x2. Okay, now each firm will equate price with marginal cost. That means price in firm 1 will be equal to this marginal cost, so marginal cost is 2x1. Okay, and this firm will also equate price with the marginal cost, which is 6x2. Okay, after that what we do, and let me write it here. So let us rewrite it here. So price is equal to 2x1 for the firm 1, which implies x1 will be equal to p upon 2. Simple thing. So firm 1, this is the what we call the individual supply function of firm 1. Similarly, p is equal to 6x2, that is price when we equate it with the marginal cost of firm 2. So let's solve it for the output. Okay, so x2 output of firm 1 will be, firm 2 will be equal to p upon 6. Okay, so these are the individual supply functions. Now to find out the market supply function, let's denote it by x. Okay, so x will be, market supply function will be equal to the output of firm 1 plus output of firm 2. Output of firm 1 we calculated it as p upon 2, and output of firm 2 is p upon 6. Okay, so let us do some multiplication here. So 6p plus 2p is 8p, so we get 8p upon 12. So this is 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, so we get 2 upon 3p. Okay, which gives us, and let me write it here, x is equal to 2 upon 3p. That will be the market supply function. I hope I make myself clear in this video and you find out this very video helpful. Thank you.